English learners, I'm Yudi from English Today. Well, you can call me Yudi. I have worked for several English providers here in Indonesia, namely Yayasan Lia, Sun Education Group, and also English First. Well, in fact, I was the Director of Studies in English First Depok. And now with English Today, I've been working here for approximately 2 years. And one thing for sure with English Today is that I have full control of what I teach in class. I can use different approach to make the participants learn the most. And then what I like best is to give them as much chance as possible to talk in class. If you want to improve your skills in business English, conversation, presentation, even report writing, we provide just a suitable program for you. You will learn new vocabulary in business context, the do's and don'ts when presentation, getting ideas for writing, even arranging and managing those ideas. Do not hesitate to contact us. Looking forward to seeing you in my class soon. Touch the first two. Remember, everything that you are going to say, it stays here, right? Your response? So far so good. Okay, have a nice day for him, yeah? Okay?
At the university, so we built our restaurant near from the school.
So when this, we can help you to find what clothes you can wear.
Capital for a 10 cows is about 150 million rupiah.
Okay.
It's about 15 million for the cow, for each cow.